The first word that we're going to start with is beneath. It can sometimes be used instead of under. Beneath under under but it is safer to keep it for abstract meanings. Adubu masigi wahisi iko imaginative oiba wakanda tang kan ba wahisingda namana sizinamna paibako. She married beneath her. Haibdi nupiduna magi thaktagi nemba mi amalu hongami haiduni artase into a lower class harisiko. Abstract oido physical oideba. Wakalda laiba dugumba pra physical oidaba dugumba wahigi meaning the sizinagada wahi ne beneath haise hena pawto. Below and under. Below amasung under haibsigi artase yengse. They can both mean lower than. Hena nemba haiba lower than haise. Magi artase animaki artase oibi haiba. And sometimes either can be used. Aduga marak marakta mabani gi marak sida amadum sinabi haiba. But under indicates contact. Adubu under haramagadi soknaba thengnaba ma taayabako. Example si yenga gyan tarni. Tomba put the letter under his pillow. Tomba na mahaki sithidu mahaki mon makhada tamami hairineba. Adu contact laitro. Letter duga sithidu ga mon jiga soknadro. Aduni adugumba matamda under haibo haise sinabi haiba. Lower haragadi adumana oidabi haibako. Aduma gyan tasilo pasan khangjilo. With below, there is usually a space between the two surfaces. Below haragadi surface ani dugi marakta ahang bakar lagi neba, gap kar lagi neba. Example, we live below them. Koina moigi makhad lai harji floor gi maram da sinab neba. Yung building amada second floor, third floor, fourth floor, first floor hain lai nako. Below them haragadi mo koigi makhada floor dugi makhada moina matondo waraga koina makhada lai haidi neba. Aduna marakta ahang bakar lai haibne. Usually a space between the two surfaces harji. Both can mean junior in rank. When you below harju, under hargasu, junior rank the sineba. They kataba ring the labor. Sipagi the police ki the ring makad labor. Adum the sineba suyaba. Adubu under hargadi immediate junior do. Heck I kad labor. The junior to the sineba. Beside and besides. Beside because is confusing oiba. Karambano. Have kangda na ko na pung sisinako. Beside because man sinab mislab. Kangdam nako. Beside and s yaw the bida beside kang harmagadi at the side of. Magi matay do da. Hiding. We sat beside a lake. Lake had a partner. Param gimatay them upon the Kuna Pamami. We sat beside a lake. Besides said in addition to Aduda Etoba Mukahapzinba. As well as Adusu at the end Hagumaniko. Example you say, besides doing the cooking, I helped Chauba. In addition to Sakong cook natana, Karitawi, Zaus in Mating Pang. Saxtongi, Zaus Mating Pang. In addition to that, Aduda Etoba, Adugimatata. Layer report the Muka absent by that. In addition to that I like the honey bottom that as well as that and that. Adugi, let him report to the gi Amazu. I do the cooking and help Chauba besides says. And the Sax Tongi, Aduga, Adukak Natanako. Saugimating Supangi. I know. Learn Mandi money, Dukitan can be one. My Sinabu style. The Vodum Maxina Bastasian Kandano can later money. Manipuri the direct hand opposite English wise the language the Yana rich way in Nakitang Luego. Adubum can tag an example Kiki. In any case or any way, we can't afford pork. Besides, Chauba doesn't like it. Koi Oksha living on day, Adugimatata, Saubasu, Sadu Pamte, Maru and a Sauna Pam Dronina, later Jarinatra. We can't afford pork. Koi Oksha living on day, Sabam day. Adu Maruina, Saubasu, Oksasi Pam day, and later Yareva. Natra. The sentence which like the scene by sentence which Loshi Lagahanako. The Lord of the scene by the sentence to resume to the Amuka Nova resume to the scene of Ziava. In any case, Natra anyways. Anyway, I support or confirm a statement. Anyway, do na statement naman si sumi kaya na confirm to natragalali and my confirmation to was support to. Do ano ba sentence am hoba natragana lotion ba natragana resume to ba muka hoba. In any case, I di something more important ba mahay ba hena maru ba por mahay to sina ba will and would ga would si koi kaya no will si na ba would sina past tense or ga comment or ga present si na rino kana koi confusing yang way ba gian ta de ba. Do si example kay si yang kanta no gyaloy tarani. Would can be used in the past tense but will cannot. Would the past tense to si na ba adubo will the past tense to si na ba the will gi Pagi Sijinnapham kariyang si simple future verb form. Simple future verb form ko. I will be 25 next year. Ay matang sahi kun mga surani harno. Si simple future ne ko. I will be 25 next year. Immediate or spontaneous decisions or actions. Kuda was spontaneous oiba. Kugi warep na koi tabak action sing do. Lumutad sinabi. Tomba is calling me. I'll go now. Tomba na ikaw re. Ay husik chalage harno. Immediate oidro. Tomba na husik koram na. Ay chalage. Ay immediate decision ne. Kuda ki warep oiba natra kuda ki action tabak tu oiba. Lumutad sinabi. When asking someone to do something for us, will you help me lift this box? Nang sige box ay tanggap pa mateng pangbigadra. Pangbiyu habi ko pangbigadra. Will you harji pangbigadra? Manipuri dati ng pangbiyu hadro. Ato niya ang pasatok na will you pangbigadra han habi wano. For promises and predictions, wasak wasakpagumba natraga future da thokadaba pot na kana haidokpagumba predict tawgumba sineba. I will always love you ay nangu matam kudimukta nungsigani haibneba. Future natro natraga promise natro wasakpagumba ne base I will always love you haise. Type 1 conditional sentence to siniko. You will pass the exam if you study hard. Karigumba nang lalekana paragadi exam to pass to gani haibneba. Lagi would past tense of will would si an bagi amaru na mai sinabam si kino past tense of will never mas will gi past tense never. Tomba said he would come here. Toman hire me mahak sidalakani ana. I have the past tense. He will come. He would come. I have never. Type 2 and 3 conditional sentences. This is Sydney. I would beat him if he shouted back. Ay nama puram gani mana kari kumba. Ingonda laura amagadi hanna laura amagadi ko. Ay nama puram gani. I have never. I would have scolded him if he had been lazy. Kari kumba mana matantala magadi. Ay nama bu chairamani. Netra. I would have scolded him if he had been lazy. Type 3 conditional sentence niko. Amaduna, I would beat him if he shouted back. Type 2 conditional sentence. In cases where both will and would can be used, would is considered more polite. Karigumba will na would si animak sinabiyabam pumdadi would sinahena polite weba. Haitar respect leba taksi kasinaiba pazabalonda haitar. Would you like some oranges? Oranges karapam gudra. Oranges karapam gudra pambra kana. Some yamna respectfully taksi kasinaina yam pazana hangbagi style do. Dugumba sinabiwanita. Hope you found this lesson really useful. Make sure to hit that like button and share this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please press the red subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you.